This brand features builder-grade units from Carrier and they are made in Mexico. The brand only uses a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil and their guarantee is not as good as some of the other brands. The brand is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The PH5S model is a basic no-frills heat pump with an 8 HSPF heating efficiency. The PH7T is a premium heat pump with sound-reducing features such as a compressor blanket and quiet shift technology when going into the defrost mode. The 38 Mora model is their offering in the ultimate category and it is a compact horizontal discharge unit which allows it to be placed in tough spots. The units are very quiet with a noise level as low as 56 decibels, which is low enough to be background noise. They have a durable baked-on finish, but their guarantee is not as good as many brands in the category, and all of their units use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.